How to set spending limits on your Discover Bank debit card using desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want tighter control on your debit card, well here is how to set spending limits on Discover Bank. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from your account dashboard, you simply have to select your checking account linked to the debit card. And there you just have to click account services or card controls and then choose spending limits. And there you need to pick the limit type like per transactions, daily or monthly and enter your limit amount. And there you have to choose categories if available like in store, online or ATMs to fine tune where the limit applies. And once you're done with it, you just have to click save or confirm and you'll see a success message and your limits take effect right away. And that's it. That's how you can set spending limits on your Discover Bank debit card using desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.